This tiny home is 12 feet wide, 44 feet long, and has everything you need to thrive in a compact living space. Welcome to the Orca Edition. Stepping into the Orca Edition is going to give you one of the most impressive views you'll find in pretty well any tiny home. Being that it's 12 feet wide and 44 feet long, right when you walk in, you get a feel of how large and open this space really is. As you take your first steps forward, you'll find yourself in the chef's kitchen. In this space, you'll find a massive amount of counter space in an L format layout. Above the countertop here, you'll find multiple upper cabinets. For appliances in this space, you'll find a 24-inch Samsung dishwasher off to the right-hand side of the sink here. Over to the left-hand side of the kitchen, you'll find a propane cooktop and oven below it. Just above that cooktop is a microwave that does have an exhaust fan built into the underside. And then just to the right of the door here, you have a massive residential size fridge and freezer. In addition to that storage space that I mentioned earlier, you also have storage above the fridge here, you have storage above the microwave, and then of course, all of the storage space you'll find beneath the countertops as well. But that's not all. To the right-hand side of the kitchen here, you have a pantry that runs almost from floor to ceiling and gives you 6 individual shelf spaces, which are all adjustable and go all the way back to the wall behind it. So as you can tell by now, there really is no shortage of storage space in this kitchen. To top things off, we get a nice table right in front of us here where you can easily fit 4 to 6 people. And because of that 12-foot wide floor plan, you have more than enough room on either side of the kitchen here to get around this table comfortably. Once you've finished up the dishes and you're ready to relax for the evening, you'll find the living room right next to the kitchen. In the living room here, as you can see, you have plenty of space to put a sectional against the wall here. And just behind that wall, you've got a nice big window letting in more of that natural light. And because of the width in the home, yet again, you have enough room to put an ottoman or a coffee table in the middle here. You actually have enough room for a 65-inch TV. You've got a mantle below it and a little electric fireplace as well. One of the huge benefits of having a shed-style roof in this home is that you get little accent windows just below the ceiling line here, which again aids in making this space feel bright and open. As we make our way past the living space to the very front of the home here, you'll find the first of 2 bedrooms. In this bedroom, you have enough space on the floor here to put a queen-size bed and still fit little end tables on either side. To my left here, I have the curtains drawn, but there's a nice large window which lets in more of that natural light. Across from the bed against the back wall here, we have a wardrobe installed so you can store all of your clothing. And then finally, just to the right of the wardrobe, we've put in a little desk area which you can easily customize. And keeping up with the theme of windows in this home, you'll find 2 more against this wall as well. As we make our way to the opposite end of the home, you'll find yourself in a little hallway. And in this hallway, you'll find the laundry room. You'll see just in front of me here, we've got enough space for a stacking washer and dryer laundry center. And then directly behind me, you'll find a counter where you can do all of your folding. Just below this counter, you'll find a little bit of storage space off to the right-hand side. And then in the cabinets to the left, you'll find the home's hot water tank. And then above this countertop as well, you'll have additional cabinet space. Just across from the washer and dryer, you'll find the bathroom. As soon as you walk into your left-hand side, you'll find a nice bright vanity with a mirror above it and some storage below. Up and to your left, you'll find a residential toilet. And then finally, just in front of me here, you'll find the bathtub and shower combo. Finally, at the very back of the home here, you'll find the master bedroom, or the second of the 2 bedrooms here. And this bedroom is definitely packed with a few more features. In here, you'll find a second point of entry, along with multiple windows on separate wall spaces. This room also has its own dedicated mini split system for heating and cooling. In front of me, inset to the wall facing the bed, you have a TV. And then to my left here is one of the most important aspects of any bedroom, which is storage space. And it's in the form of 2 wardrobes side by side, giving you tons of space to store your clothing. In this bedroom, you can fit up to a king-size bed and still have space to walk around and put little end tables on either side of the bed, and is overall one of the best spaces in this home. This home is currently available for immediate sale. If you or someone you know is looking for more information on this home, I'll be sure to add the floor plan layout to the screen for you here. Otherwise, all the other information you're going to need is in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. To view our available inventory and to learn more about how we can build your dream tiny home, visit us online and book a consultation call today.